Alright, what's going on everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys is I'm going to be explaining why you should invest in pairs of TAUPE HAZE 4'S right now. They're pretty much on the rise. I've seen them do some progress already. Pretty much I was saying like 2-4 weeks after the drop, and it looks like they're pretty much staying at that pace. So these are on the rise. I'm going to be explaining why you should buy them, what you should buy them for, kind of where to look, and just kind of why this one is a good investment, what I think it'll go to. There's a lot of things I can really explain about this shoe, and yeah, it's really clean in hand. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If you guys want more unboxing content or actually show the sneaker investment in hand and discuss it at the same time, and go ahead and subscribe below and also drop a like. You already know I do plenty of sneaker investment and different videos like about how to cop shoes and all that. So if that's what you guys are interested in, go hit that button down below if you want. And that's really all I gotta say. So you can also in the description check my Discord. That's one more thing I have to say. You can also join my Discord too if you want to go check that out. Good little community, talk about shoes and stuff. But yeah, that's everything right there, and I'll explain why you should invest in pairs of these right now. Alright, so as you guys can see, I am here with a screen recording, and just shout them out at my Instagrams at the start. So if you want to go check those out down below, I'd appreciate the follow there. Got the personal and resale one, and I will be posting on the resale one eventually, just once I'm back from college selling some sneaker investments. Y'all will see that. But let's get into discussing the Jordan 4 TAUPE HAZE. So as you all know, I do have a pair right here, we'll flip to the screen right here so you can see I got a pair in hand. I'll give my first review in hand thoughts on it. And I gotta say, the suede material that they chose right here, I don't know if it's more of like a matted suede. You can really see what it is in hand, and the brown colorway is super clean. I really like how the red also here on the inside of the tongue and kind of on the outside right there, we're on the Jumpman. I really like how that looks, and the black also fits really well in the shoe. So overall, does the shoe meet expectations in hand? Absolutely, and actually I would say probably exceeds them. I even see it's got like a little sparkles like kind of going on like right up here. Like I've got like some like sparkles on the shoe. You can even see, maybe you can see it. I know I'm not tripping, but I think I got like some glitter on there or something. But yeah, it's just like a little shiny too, kind of up by around the tongue and up here. Just it's got a little like glow to it, and I really mess with it. So seeing this, definitely meeting expectations in hand. So this is why I definitely think this is one you should cop. I think people are realizing that, and I actually want to give a huge shout out to this guy right here. This is the dude that sold me this pair of shoes. I want y'all to go give him a follow. I may link him down below. Hopefully I remember to do that, but just make sure you guys go check him out, give him a follow. He gave me a really good deal, and he's just kind of starting out reselling and stuff, and I really appreciate the deal. So thank you to him. Go check him out. Just want to make sure he gets his credit there, because he definitely deserves that. And a couple more things too. This is also another fire part of the shoe, the sole. I really like how they kind of spread out the colors here. I actually hadn't really paid attention to this part of the shoe at all on the original sneakers photos, but kind of seeing this, I really like how they chose. Like it's kind of like I don't know, it's like a hot red. I don't know if that makes sense. It's not like a hot pink, but it's kind of like it's close to orange, close to pink, kind of in between, I'd say, if you know what I mean. Same with this, and kind of everything up here with the tongue, Jumpman, all that. And overall, that's why I think this shoe is great. It exceeds in-hand expectations. So aside from kind of my review, how it looks, also this portion, this material right here, this is just so far. This is so far. I gotta focus in on this. They killed this. My pair didn't have any quality control issues. See, my Jumpman ain't looking sus. You know what I mean? He's looking straight. So yeah, I'm really glad that I got my pair at least looking decent in hand, looking good. So that's another thing right there. They didn't mess up this portion too, so everything's looking good by the toe box. Another great thing. So I'll put this up right here, and we'll kind of explain why the shoe is a great investment. So if you go look at the pairs right now, kind of what they're selling for, looking on like StockX or somewhere, just one of those reselling platforms. They were originally about when I think last time I discussed TAUPE HAZEs, I didn't make like a full video on it, but I remember the last time I discussed them in a video, they were going for around like 310, 320, and now if you kind of see what they're going for, that is not the case. You can't find a pair below 340 right now. They've already started to rise pretty much directly after the drop. They dropped on the 27th, and they're already showing some pretty major progress. You go look right now, again, this is kind of like that 320 portion where they're going 320, 310, you kind of see there, and they're already doing this little rise. I've just kind of noticed over the last few days, and they've been consistently kind of going up. The sales have been, starting to go for more. You see like the average sale price is now 341, and if you even go look at like the last, you go look at the 3-month chart right here, you can just really kind of tell that it's more noticeable. Pretty much since the 7th they've been doing their rising, so I've kind of noticed that they've really already started to make some progress. I think people, again, they saw them in hand and they were like, whoa, I need to sell these for a little bit more. And I think some people honestly, nobody's wanting to sell their pairs for lower anymore, and I definitely see the shoe again. I think the shoe is definitely like you go look at what it used to go for. It used to go for like 420, 410. I definitely think the shoe is going to go right back up to that value very quickly. So the shoe again is at least a $400 $400 shoe, so you could definitely make some money buying some pairs. And I think, I mean, before it went for, you know, 400, 410, so it could be even just keep going up even more, because, you know, some people think the shoe is a $500 shoe, and I do not disagree with that claim. I think it could hit 450 and maybe flatten out for a bit. That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking, you know, it's just gonna rise to like 450 and maybe stop for a bit, and it could go to 500 over time. But I'm thinking this shoe is kind of like gonna be around like 400, 425, and then it might continue rising a little slower after that. But I'm thinking it's gonna go right to 400, right 425. I mean, I see the progress already, and overall, I'm very happy about my pair. And another investment you guys can make too, aside from, you know, just the regular adult sizes, you could also go look into the grade school sizes. These ones have not really shown much progress yet, but I mean, you already see what they're going for, like $260 in some grade school sizes. That's pretty good, but I mean, they're still going down right now, so I would just kind of stay tuned on the grade school sizes. I think there is still a lot of room on them. You see before, again, they used to go for like kind of like 340, 360, and right now they're at 260. So I mean, I could say you could buy pairs right now. I personally would probably invest in adult ones over grade school ones right now, but if you don't have as much money, go invest in the grade school ones. I'd say in maybe a week or two. I think those ones are due to rise soon, kind of as you see. I mean, these ones are already showing the progress, and it kind of impresses me. I didn't expect them to really rise this quick. I mean, you see just at the 11th or at the 12th, and then after that every day, it's pretty noticeable. I mean, it's not like something that I don't think it's going to stop either, because I mean, you go look at like the recent sales in all sizes. I mean, you have some at 320, but I mean, most of the sales are right now, as you can see, at 340, and they're kind of staying at 340. So when you kind of notice that, I think this shoe is definitely on the rise, and hopefully I didn't repeat the word on the rise too many times there. Hopefully you all are not annoyed by that. But yeah, now you can even tell. I really like this, how they zoomed in the chart here. Now you can really tell, I feel like, or at least I see it here. You know, I definitely think it's heading to at least that $400 price point. There's no doubt in my mind there. So yeah, you know, that's really everything I got to say right there. I'm going to end the screen recording. The TAUPE HAZE 4s, again, exceeding expectations in hand. People are not kind of noticing they don't want to sell their pairs for, you know, that lower amount anymore. And I've just kind of seen that progress, and it's a really good looking shoe. So the Travis Scott comparisons, all that are really helping take the shoe to the top. So yeah, hold your pairs now. And that's really all I got to say. Let's roll the outro. Anyways, I hope y'all do enjoy this video. I was just, you know, sipping on that good like to-go soup. If y'all have not been put on these, I'm putting y'all on some sauce. These are crazy. They're a little pricey. I know they are a little pricey, you know, depending on where you get them. But if you get like a pack of them off Amazon or something, boy, I mean, you're gonna be. They will get you right. That's all I'm gonna say. You know, they taste perfect. So again, if you all want more content like this, feel free to go ahead, subscribe below, drop a like. Again, the goal in this video is, actually, I don't even think I set a like goal. That's crazy. But let's just try and hit 200 likes. That's something I always go for. So if we could hit that, that'd be dope. And also down there in the description, just gonna throw this out there real quick. Instagram's, Discord. I always mention them at the end and start of the video. So yeah, you know, if you want to check this out, if you haven't again tuned in there, then go tune in there. You know, your boy's decently active on Instagram. He's also, if you want to, you know, check my Snapchat down below, add me there. I've been more active on the story recently. I know y'all been telling me get active there, and I have been. So there you go. I'm trying to stay consistent, you know what I mean, on all my social medias. But I don't know. I just don't like Instagram that much. You know what I mean? I really don't. I used to, but like I was just like, I got bored of posting pictures and stuff, and I was just like, I don't know. It's just kind of like everybody posts the same stuff now. It's not the same. You know what I mean? But hey, that's all I gotta say. I'm not acting like I'm super OG of Instagram or anything. You know what I mean? I'm not like the OG like Instagram block guard, you know? All right, now I don't even know what I'm talking about. So I'm just gonna end the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.